Hello everyone and welcome back to Savvy String. My name is Savannah. You can also call me Sav. And I'm going to be showing you how to make this very cute scrunchie today. It can be for a gift or you can just make it for yourself. And so yeah, I use acrylic yarn with a 5mm hook and just plain old scissors. So yeah, let's get started. So to start our scrunchie, we're going to make a slip knot with a yarn. So we're going to put our working yarn over our tail, put the working yarn through that loop. And then you're going to put your hook through and pull it to tighten it. Now, to make a scrunchie is a lot different than making something else. So instead of like chaining something and like we're going to first chain in our scrunchie. So we're going to put our hook in the scrunchie, and I'll show you how to do a chain. So it's a yarn over, and usually you just pull through the one loop, but there are technically two loops because of the hair tie, so we'll pull those. Your slip knot is attached to the hair tie. So now you're going to chain one. That's it, just chain one, so yarn over and pull through. Learn a new stitch that I've not showed at all on this YouTube channel. It's a double crochet. So you're going to yarn over, and then with your yarn still yarned over, you're going to put your hook through the hair tie. You're going to yarn over again. You're going to pull through the hair tie. You're going to yarn over, pull through the top two loops, yarn over, and pull through those two loops. So again, we're going to yarn over, put it in the hair tie, yarn over, pull through the hair tie, yarn over, pull through the two loops, yarn over, pull through the bottom two loops. And that's basically what we're going to do, but I'm going to keep crocheting with you so you don't feel really like kind of crocheting alone. And then you can also just, if you forgot how to do something or you got caught up in the double crochet stitch, you can always look over and see what I'm doing. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, if you're not getting it, that is totally fine. Double crochets are really hard for me when I first started. And sometimes I still get kind of confused. subscribers who have subscribed to my channel. It really makes me happy to see all the subscribes, all the hearts, and all the likes, all the views. Oops. And I just love that. So thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. It'll help me get to my goal of 50 subscribers. So far I have 13. So as you go along, you can only push this. And I know it's kind of depressing because like you're like, I'm almost there, and then you're like, wait, like I'm halfway done. Like I did so much. But then your scrunchie won't look like a scrunchie. It'll just look like whatever color yarn you're using as a hair tie. And it'll be a really thick, long hair tie. especially with like the black hair tie. So the thing is, you don't want to add too many double crochets because then it will be really hard to stretch. Like, I've done this before and I couldn't stretch it very much. It didn't fit very well. And it just generally wasn't good. So this time I'm making sure that I don't add too many double crochets, and I just want you to know that so that you don't accidentally do that too. That is, as I said, 100% okay. You can pause the video, and if you're feeling frustrated, go ahead, take a break, have a snack, something, and then come back to it. And I even do that sometimes. If something isn't working, I'll go and I'll take a break and I'll do something else with my hands, especially because crocheting is like all about your hands moving. Sometimes my hands just need a break. Okay, so now that we have this, and yes, there is some space when you do it, I'll add like one more, but don't go overboard. So yeah, obviously you don't want this here, you don't be able to like move it or anything. So what you're going to do is the slip knot that you started at, you're gonna put your hook in that. And grab your yarn, and we're gonna do a slip stitch. So we're gonna pull through the middle loop. We haven't yarned over. We're gonna pull through the, okay, so you yarn over. You pull through the middle, oh, you pull through both two loops. So that was really fast. But I'll show you again. You put it in like one of the V's kind of. You're gonna yarn over, pull through the middle loop, and then pull through the bottom loop. And if you still see black, or whatever color your scrunchie or hair tie is, you can do that again. But that's what makes it homemade, is knowing that it's not perfect. So now you're going, oh look, my scissors and hook match. Now you're just gonna cut off a long, well, not very long, just a long-ish tail. Actually, that's kind of short. Just like a couple inches, like 30 inches. And to fasten off, which is the term that you'll see in patterns, you're just going to pull your hook so that the loop is off and like gone, kind of. You're just going to pull on that yarn. And since they're so close together, you can tie these two for extra security. I don't know how to say that without it sounding like, and then you can cut it. I know some people weave it through with a needle, but we're not using needles today, so you can just do that. And as I said, it makes it homemade. Yeah. Thank you all for watching. I hope you had a great time crocheting this scrunchie. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!